In this video, I'll discuss the pencil tools in Adobe InDesign CC 2015. Now, in addition to the pen tool, you have the pencil tool right here, and it's a group. You can see the triangle in the lower right-hand corner. So I'll go ahead and click and hold it, and there are three tools: the pencil tool, the smooth tool, and the erase tool. Now, I'll select the pencil tool, which is N on the keyboard, and notice how the mouse cursor has changed to a pencil with an asterisk next to it. Now, the way the pencil tool works, unlike the pen tool, is you have to click and hold. With the pen tool, you click and then move the mouse elsewhere and then click again. With the pencil tool, you click and hold the mouse and then draw and release. And it creates a complex path for you. Now, the thing about the pencil tool is it doesn't have the same type of functionality as the pen tool, at least not from the tool itself. You can still add and delete anchor points using the pen tools, add anchor point and delete anchor point tools. I'll go ahead and select the add anchor point tool and just click right here to add one right here, and I'll add another one down here. So you can do that, and you can also delete just by clicking here with the delete anchor point tool. Okay, we'll delete that one right there as well. So you can use those tools to add and delete points. You can also use the direct selection tool. And now I'll go ahead and select that. But with the direct selection tool, if I try to select a single point and press delete, I'm going to break the curve. So you don't want to do that unless there's a reason why you have to. But let's look at the other tools here. We have the smooth tool. Now the smooth tool simply allows you to take that curve and draw over part of it and smooth it out. So let's go ahead and just click and drag around there, and we'll just smooth things out. We'll smooth things out here as well. And often the case will be that it's going to remove anchor points in that smoothing process. So you can smooth things out just by clicking and dragging over part of the line that you drew with the pencil tool. Let's take a look at the erase tool. And you've probably guessed what this can do. So I'll go ahead and click and drag right here, and I've erased part of that curve. So that's a great way of being able to create these complex paths using a drawing type metaphor with the pencil tool. But there's something else I want to show you with the pencil tool. Now, I'm going to hold down the control key to start with. And if I hold that down, I can actually modify points, single points, in the curve that I drew just by doing that. And if I click on one of the control points, for instance, this one right here, and draw, notice how I've erased or reshaped, I guess that curve is a better way of putting it, that I've actually taken that whole section down here and just drawn it over here and erased that portion. Let's show it over here. So I'll click and drag, and you can reshape that. So you can really have a lot of fun with this tool, and you can certainly edit it using the direct selection tool or the add and remove pen tools to create those shapes that you need when you're working with publications in Adobe InDesign.